back to motorcycling in beautiful central Ontario. Today on the Custom channel, we're going to continue our ride from last week's video, and we'll be heading out of Sawlog Bay and out through the other side of Awenda Park. It's a really nice ride. We're going to encounter some interesting traffic scenarios while we're on the way. Now I fully realize this road is lightly traveled at this time of day, but this fellow up here on the right is parked in my lane, facing the wrong way, right across the street from a stop sign. The road makes a bit of a curve right where that fellow is parked, making it very difficult to see and can prove hazardous. And the thing is, just yards away is ample room to pull completely off the road. Hats off to the township, and you can see them up ahead here putting cold patch in some potholes at this intersection. Bikers should avoid cold patch when it first goes down because it can be really loose and hard to steer. It can also stick to your tires and end up flying up onto your chrome and paint, which is exactly what you don't want. it's time to be very, very quiet as we're about to encounter our first tourist of the year and we don't want to frighten them. It's not unusual to see tourists in the wild at this time of year, but beware. As they are just coming out of hibernation, they can act unpredictably, as you will see. comes that poor little fellow again. He's obviously been separated from his pack and is desperately seeking the comfort and safety of others in the herd. I sure hope he finds them soon. Thanks so much for riding along today. The ride through the forest here provided some fresh air that was just hard to describe. Don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and if you are so inclined, hit that like button. And always, remember, stay calm, stay safe, and we'll be sure to see you again soon. Bye for now.